Hello and welcome to Olivia English Hub. Learn English naturally, speak confidently, and grow every day. Let's begin.
Hey English learners, welcome back to our cozy corner of the internet, where we help you build real confidence through real, everyday English conversations. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Henry. We're really glad you're spending this part of your day with us.
Today, we're talking about something almost every English learner has felt at least once in their life.
Yes, a moment that can feel a little embarrassing, a little confusing, and honestly, kind of frustrating too.
Why does your English suddenly freeze the moment a real conversation starts, even when you already know the words?
It's such a strange feeling, isn't it? Because if you think about it, this happens to almost everyone learning a new language.
Exactly. Two people can study English for years. Same grammar books, same vocabulary lists, same apps. And yet, one of them speaks smoothly when a real moment comes, while the other one just blanks out.
One person walks into a coffee shop, orders confidently, even adds a little small talk.
While the other person mentally prepares a perfect sentence and then completely forgets it the second the barista looks at them.
Which raises a really interesting question. Is it really about knowledge? Or is something else happening?
Because if this were only about vocabulary, most learners would already be speaking fluently by now.
Exactly.
So let's set the scene. It's a Saturday morning. Henry walks into a small coffee shop near his apartment. The place is warm, a little busy, and smells like fresh coffee.
And in my head, I've already planned my sentence. Hello, I would like to order 1 coffee, please. Simple, right?
Sounds perfect on paper.
Exactly. But then the barista looks up and says something I didn't expect.
Barista. Hey, what can I get started for you?
And just like that, my perfect sentence disappears, because that's not the question I prepared for.
This is exactly the moment we're talking about. You prepared for what would you like to order, but real life gave you something different.
And in that half-second gap, my brain just stopped.
This is so common, and here's why it happens. When you learn English from books, you usually learn one fixed way to ask something, but real conversations have dozens of casual variations for the exact same question.
What can I get started for you? What can I get you? What'll it be? What are we having today?
All of these mean the same simple thing, but if your brain only recognizes one version, the other ones feel like a completely different language.
So it's not that I don't understand English, it's that I only understand one narrow version of it.
Exactly. And that's the real reason for the freeze. It's not a knowledge problem, it's a flexibility problem.
So what happened next after
So my coffee was being made and I stepped to the side to wait. And honestly, this is the part that used to scare me more than ordering itself. Small talk, the unscripted part. Exactly, because when you're ordering, you kind of know what's coming, but small talk can go absolutely anywhere. Let's listen to what happened while Henry was waiting.
So, busy morning for you?
Yeah, kind of. Just running some errands.
Nice. Beats sitting at home, right?
Yeah, definitely better than staying in.
For sure. Your flat white's coming right up.
Okay, let's slow that down. Busy morning for you? That's not really a deep question. It's just a friendly opener.
Right, and at first I almost overthought it. I started thinking, do I explain my whole schedule?
And that's the trap. Small talk doesn't need detailed answers. It needs short, relaxed ones.
Yeah, kind of. Just running some errands. That's it. 5 seconds, done.
And notice beats sitting at home, right? That little right at the end, that's not really asking for deep agreement. It's just inviting a quick yeah or for sure.
Which is exactly what I said. Yeah, definitely better than staying in. Perfect natural response. Matching energy, matching length. That's such a useful idea. Matching length. I never thought about that before.
It's huge. If someone gives you a short...
So let's bring everything together, because by now, you've seen the real pattern behind the freeze. Right, it wasn't that I didn't know English, it was 3 very specific things. And once you see them, you'll notice them in your own freezes too. Let's go through them one by one. First, variation. I only knew one way to ask or answer something, so when a different version showed up, my brain treated it like new information. instead of something I already knew. What can I get started for you? Instead of, what would you like to order?